Sorry, I think our class is not on recording. Okay. So which tool or machine instruments will be used? Its answer is which tool, machine or instrument will be used. So we will use a name package. Which package will be used? Its answer is read XL. This machine can be used to import Excel file into R. Second question which should be arise in your mind is you need to check its availability. Is it available in R? Here your answer may be yes or your answer may be no. Now come to screen number 4. Screen number 4 is your lab, is your office room. Here is a package button. Package button is the register of your lab attendant or PC of your lab attendant where all packages names, all tools names are given. Click on packages button. It will show you a list of all available machinery in R. You can scroll down and check many packages, many tools are already available in R. No, we need read Excel. So we will find read Excel from here. Click on find or search button and find read Excel. In my site, read Excel is showing here because in my lab, in my R Studio or read Excel is available. This machine, this tool is available in my lab. So please all participants reply me yes or no. If you have typed yes, if there is no read Excel, after searching, type no. Some participant answer is yes, some participant answer is no. If your answer is yes, it's mean you have this tool. If your answer is no, it's mean first you need to arrange this tool. Arrange. So for arrange, we will write a application to our HOD. So in under the heading of package, there are two buttons. One is install, other is update. Click on install button. It will show you three question in this application form. Install from, machine name or package name, and where you want to install. We just need to fill only one blank column. Row number 1 already filled and row number 3 already filled. And last option is install dependency. We will discuss on this topic in our tomorrow class, what is dependency. So click on install button. Sorry, this central column, central row, and type here read XL. It will give you suggestion. It will give you suggestion. Click on read Excel and press install button. It will show you a red dot in screen number 2 and start some red, black or blue lines and then give you a message. Package read Excel successfully unpacked and MD5 sum checked. When red dot disappear, it will show you a message. Package read Excel successfully unpacked. No, please all participant confirm your answer is yes or no. If you have done, check again. It's appearing in screen number 4. Hopefully no, your answer will be yes. Okay. Now when your answer is yes, Then next step, turn on, because package is a machine, package is a tool. As in your daily life, when you want to use any machine, any tool, first you need to turn on this machine. You need to turn on this tool. Similarly, in R, you also need to turn on this package. So, how to turn on package in R? You need to run a word library. So, in R, we will use a word library. Library. Library mean turn on, or you can say activate. Turn on or activate. So come to new line and type library without hashtag. So please remember, when you want to make notes, type hashtag, and when you want to run script, you need to type without hashtag. So select library, and within library type read XL. It will give you suggestion. Select from suggestion, press and run. It will show you tick mark with read Excel in screen number 4. No, I have done library. So please all participants reply me so that I can move to next step. If you have done library, type done. Yes, after writing this, click in this line and there is a run button in screen number 1. Here is the run button. Click run button. It will show you same line in screen number 2 and a tick mark in screen number 4 with read Excel. Hasib Ali, please confirm. Have you done? If any issue, you can open your mic. Okay. Now next step is come to screen number 3. Here is screen number 3. In screen number 3, there is a button import dataset. Click on import dataset. It will show you 6 options. First, Miss Isha Rafiq, kindly click on this line, library, and then press run button. It will show you same line in screen number 2. Please first confirm in screen number 2 there is any error message, warning message, or same line. If same line appeared, then check screen number 4. Tick mark will appear with read Excel. If there is an issue or warning message in screen number 3, first read warning message and resolve issue. Then you will be able to find tick. If unable, please open your mic or share your screen so that I can resolve your issue. मैडम इशा रफ़ीक काइंडली माइक ओपन कीजिएगा.
जी सर।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
जी वालेकुम सलाम।
जी मैडम, इशू रिजॉल्व हो गया।
सर मैंने उसको एंटर करके तो रन किया है, लेकिन वो जिस कलर में ऊपर लिखा हुआ है ना येलो सा, उसी में नीचे लिखा है, लेकिन कोई कमेंट मुझे नजर नहीं आया। लेकिन टिक भी नहीं आया फोर्थ में।
आप स्क्रीन शेयर कर सकते हैं?
जी मैं ओपन करती हूँ।
ओके, शेयर करें। ओके, आप ना स्क्रीन नंबर 4 पे आए। आपने हेल्प पे क्लिक किया हुआ है, पैकेजेस पे क्लिक करें। पैकेजेस पे क्लिक करें। स्क्रीन नंबर 4, पैकेजेस। ओके, now come to search box and find read Excel. No, yes, no, you can check a tick mark. Please don't click on help. Click on packages. No, you can check already tick mark appeared with read Excel. Okay, now come to screen number 3. Click on import dataset. Please all participants follow now. Import dataset. Third option from Excel, because we have Excel file. So choose third option from Excel. Third option, click on no. Click on yes. Click on yes, please. If you found this type of message, click on yes. If you found package RCCP is missing, then click on yes button. Okay, now click on browse button. Click on ficus. Open and click on import button at the bottom of right side of this. And Dr. Samra, click on yes if you found this message. Just click on import. It will show you data in screen number 1 as well as in screen number 3. Okay, now please all participant type done. and Dr. Sumaira Shabir. Please confirm. Have you done?
सर मेरे पास एक बॉक्स आया है, उस पर लिखा हुआ है इंपोर्ट एक्सेल डाटा, और उसके बाद आगे क्या करना है?
ठीक है, वहाँ पे एक ब्राउज का बटन नजर आ रहा है आपको राइट
हम्म,
साइड पे? राइट साइड पे देखें, ब्राउज का बटन नजर आ रहा है? इंपोर्ट डाटा सेट पे क्लिक करने के बाद ये बॉक्स शो हो
यस
रहा है,
सर, ब्राउज का बटन है।
उस पर क्लिक करें, वो आपको वर्किंग डायरेक्टरी में ले जाएगा। वर्किंग डायरेक्टरी से आप फाइकस वाली फाइल को सिलेक्ट करें, डबल क्लिक करें, उसका प्रीव्यू यहाँ पे शो होगा और बॉटम में इंपोर्ट का बटन है, उस पर क्लिक करेंगे, फाइल आपकी आर में इंपोर्ट हो जाएगी। Okay, no, please all participants confirm me. Hopefully all participants have done. Please let me know if anyone facing issue. Okay, thank you. No, in our next class we will work on how to create some basic plots, how to read R script and how to write R script. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.